Hello everyone and welcome back to Grammar Point. In our previous video, we have learned about silent letters like B, C, D, G, H, K. If you have not watched that video, pause this video and watch it first. In part 2, we will cover L, N, P, S, T, U and W with clear pronunciation, common examples. So let's continue improving our pronunciation. Welcome to Grammar Point. This is Namrata Kashyap. Let's learn together. Now students, listen carefully. Silent L usually comes after A, O, U. When L comes after these vowels, very often we don't pronounce it clearly. Let's look at examples. Half, calm, talk, walk, should, chuck, salmon. तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन किस तरह से होता है? स्पेलिंग लिखी जाती है SALMON, लेकिन L प्रोनाउंस नहीं किया जाता. इट्स नॉट सैल्मन, इट्स सामन. ऐसे ही TALK talk, WALK walk. Did you notice the L disappears in sound? Easy rule: if L comes after A or O, it's often silent. Practice slowly. Calm, talk, walk. Very good. Now let's talk about silent N. Silent N usually appears at the end of words after M. Look carefully at these words. Autumn, column, dam, condemn. तो pronunciation किस तरह से होता है? लिखा जाता है AUTUMN. N लिखा जाता है लेकिन pronounce नहीं होता. It's autumn. COLUMN, column. We don't stress the N sound. Don't say autumn. Just say autumn. Soft ending. So remember, if N comes after M at the end, it's usually silent. Simple. Now this one is very important for advanced words. Silent P is very common in words that comes from Greek. Examples: psychology, pneumonia, receipt, coup, pseudo. Pronunciation क्या है? P लिखा जाता है जैसे PSYCHOLOGI, लेकिन psychology नहीं बोला जाता. It's psychology. PNEUMONIA, pneumonia. RECEIPT, receipt. Now notice something very important. If a word starts with PS or PN, don't pronounce P. So we say psychology, not psychology. Pneumonia, not pneumonia. Ignore the P. Very common exam mistake, so be careful. Now let's move to silent S. These are very common daily words. Examples: island, aisle, aisle, debris. Pronunciation क्या होगा? ISLAND, island. AISLE, aisle. DEBRIS, debris. Very common speaking mistake. Many students say Iceland या debris, but that is wrong. That is silent. So speak smoothly. Now students, the silent T is very common. Silent T usually comes after S or before L or N. Examples: listen, castle, fasten, whistle, soften. Pronunciation क्या होगा? LISTEN लिखा जाता है लेकिन listen नहीं, listen बोला जाता है. CASTLE, castle. WHISTLE, whistle. If T comes after S, it is often silent. So don't say listen or whistle. Keep it smooth. Now let's talk about silent U. Silent U usually comes after G or Q. Examples: guitar, guard, guess, guest, rogue, guilt, built. So what will be the pronunciation? GUITAR लिखा जाता है लेकिन guitar नहीं बोला जाता. It's guitar. GUESS, guess. BUILT, built. Here the U is not clearly pronounced. The U helps spelling, not pronunciation. Actually, English spelling loves extra letters. Now the last one for today, silent W. Silent W mostly appears before R. Examples: right, wrist, wreck, wrong, rapper, wrestle. So pronunciation कैसे होता है? लिखा जाता है WRITE और pronounce किया जाता है right. WRIST, wrist. WRONG, wrong. Golden rule. If a word starts with WR, don't pronounce W. Just ignore it completely. Very easy rule. Why learn silent letters? Now students, why is this important? Because learning silent letters helps you speak clearly, avoid embarrassing mistakes, sound confident and fluent, improve exam performance. Pronunciation is power. When you pronounce correctly, people respect your English more. Quick revision: silent L, talk, calm, salmon. Silent N, autumn, column. Silent P, psychology, receipt. Silent S, island, isle. Silent T, listen, castle. Silent U, guess, guitar. Silent W, right, wrong. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Grammar Point and share it with English learners. Till the next video, keep practicing, keep glowing with Grammar Point. Bye bye, sayonara, happy learning.